All right, this is the moment that should have been remembered in the Oscars in here 2022. Not the Will Smith and Chris Rock, but this moment right here when Denzel Washington presented Samuel L. Jackson. I love these two guys. I watch every one of their movies. I think they are brilliant actors. But look at this. This is what should be shared and what should be remembered. This moment right here. Check this out.
Not just the greatest of all time, but of any time. It is now my great honor and pleasure to present my friend Samuel L. Jackson.
Let me pause this for a minute. Samuel L. Jackson, he's one of the realest people I've ever seen before. And I think most of his acting isn't really acting. He really doing this seriously. But check this out, this other moment right here. Check this out.
Thank you all. Thank you, man, for awesome. Thanks to every person that's ever bought a ticket to any movie I was in. It's truly been an honor and a pleasure to entertain you. QT, thanks for the characters. Lil Rob, I know you're back there. Robert Louis Stevenson, the man who created all those wigs. Every time I asked him, he said, make me somebody. And he did. Once again, thank you, governors, for the recognition. It's an honor.
Now this the moment that should be remembered. You know, so like I said, I wasn't gonna make no more videos about Will Smith and Chris Rock. That's gone. These people right here needs to be recognized. I feel like they were cheated out of their moment. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Before you leave, subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notifications, also share and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.